So I'm not sure if I'll be able to get up the road to my house today. We're running alright. I mean, we can turn the anti-slip back off. But the thing about anti-slip is it sends traction to the wheel that has traction. It doesn't really work if neither wheel of the front wheels has traction. Now, I'm trying to go up this hill. I'm able to stop just fine, safe and all that with my brakes. But if I go forward, we stopped and we go forward, and we go backwards and a little bit to the side. Let's try this again. That's not forward. That's strafing. We're straight sideways. Back up a little bit. Go forward. So I don't think this is gonna happen. I think I'll have to park. Probably have to park somewhere near my house. That does not involve going up a hill today.